So apparently now I'm a RV mechanic because no one told me RV AC was incredibly loud. That's not workable for me. So I did get the silencer kit. Reviews forthcoming. So this is important. If you have a Dometic as the brand, you're gonna need to order the one that says Dometic. I got the wrong one. I got one for, I guess, Coleman brands. That's why my outfit is different. Understanding is you tape all this just so there's not like loose airflow. Like a this. Tape is really hard to get the backing off of, just FYI. Can you put this, I don't know, filter thing? There's a hole there for it, but there's nothing there to attach this screw to, so you have to anchor it with these screws. These screws will connect. I'm not be able to close the bathroom door. That would be a problem. I gotta figure out the bathroom door. We'll at least put the screws in. I did have to cut the door so that it will close and fit underneath. And now we'll reattach the door. Oh. That's a lot quieter. Because before, it was so loud that I was like, I will not be able to use this in the summer. It's definitely not as forceful as it was before. But it works.